Hey everyone, stick with us versus herd. If it's your first time here, love the content, hit subscribe. If you want to get notifications from when we post videos, tap the bell. If you want to subscribe to our options trading live channel, link is below in the description. I go live Monday through Friday, 30 minutes before market open. If you want to join the UVH fam, link is below in the description to our Discord and our options trading group on Facebook. If you made money today, comment below, got paid. If you lost money today, comment below, learned a lesson. And if you could do me a favor, hit the like button. I would really appreciate it. Today, I ended up the day a little bit flat. I was technically up $50 on the day. I'll go through all my trades in just a second here. But today I really didn't do that many trades, more just kind of managed and kind of hung out. Today in terms of, the schedule for today, there really wasn't a whole lot going on with earnings or anything like that. So S&P's closed up 37, Dow's up 348, NASDAQ was 40 up 49 today. And like I was saying, there was really no report scheduled today. Tomorrow we have some economic reports, but Wednesday is the big day with the Fed coming out. I mean, they're not expected to change rates. Right now they're not expected to change rates. However, they are going to give some guidance on what they're going to be doing in the future. So things may get a little bit turned up based on what they say. We don't know what they're going to say. They are going to keep buying bonds. I don't know if they're going to announce they're going to start buying ETFs. I don't know what's going to happen. But what I'm telling you is just be cautious. Things are going to get a little heated this week with earnings and with the Fed coming out. So getting through some of the trades here, I did put an earnings trade on. Today in terms of my P&L, not so bad. I mostly took a hit trading IWM. I went short that on Friday, so we're taking a beating on that. So I'm just gonna hold on today. I was seeing, since there was nothing going on in the news or in the economic reports, if maybe things will come down tomorrow, I could get a little bit better price. I mean, I'm not gonna probably hold this into Friday, but we'll see what happens. I already took, pretty much a 77% loss on IWM. So, I mean, it just really ripped today. Also, I lost a little bit of money on SPY. I have a call credit spread right now on SPY. Almost the long leg is almost in the money. So we'll see what happens with that tomorrow. But going into my trades for today, I did have a really nice trade on Zoom, I made about 20%, bought it for $13.04, sold it for $15.85. I bought the 157 call for next week expiration. Now, looking at Zoom, it was a buy the dip moment here on Zoom. Zoom really, was flagging out here early in the morning. Really nice making. I mean, it ripped up at open and then it came back down, but it was making lower highs, and so I bought in at 8:56 a.m. So I bought in right in here. So got a really nice entry on that. I wrote it up to 11:21. Sure, we could have made a little bit more money. Where did I sell? Right. Actually, probably wouldn't have made that much more money. I mean, would have made a couple more bucks, but to me, it really wasn't worth it. What I was really trying to do with my day trade is, with my swing trades, yes, I know I'm going to be wrong, but I try to kind of offset it with my day trades, and that's really what it was about. I offsetted my losses today with my day trade on Zoom. But in my opinion, Facebook entering their space isn't going to really cause them any harm. That's the way that I feel. I also traded UPS for earnings. Now, before we get into UPS, I did buy a VXX call. And the reason why I bought a VXX call is because I'm planning on going a little bit long for earnings. We have quite a few earnings on deck for this week. I mean, this is probably the most important week for earnings right now, and I am in UPS, but I am looking to go a little bit long, so I bought a VXX call for next week expiration. And the reason why I did that is because volatility really came down today. I mean, this came all the way down. It was down to 7% today. VXX fell $3. Dropped pretty much all morning, and then it was really just flattening out here. And I was kind of looking at the chart here, and you can't really do technical analysis on the VIX or VXX. But looking at it here, we're pretty much at the bottom of the range. We have a lot of events coming up, and I'm looking to get a little bit long and sell some premium into earnings. So I thought, hey, what better way to protect my investments than buying something that's down, volatility when volatility is low, I mean, it's still high. I mean, 38 is incredibly high. So I'm up on the, actually I'm down $6 on that position. So I closed practically flat on VXX. So I bought the 38 call for next week expiration, just pretty much as a hedge, because I did go into UPS. I did put on a credit spread on UPS. I got a $1.05 credit. I sold 4 of them. Technically I shorted 4 of them. I have the 105 put, and I have the and the 103 put. So it's currently in the money. Looking forward to come up a little bit. Wasn't really looking for a little bit of a premium crush on UPS. I am expecting them to do well. I'm thinking they're probably going to hit like the 105 area, the 108, the 107 area. I'm thinking their target's probably right in this area. I mean, maybe they far exceed expectations and it bumps up to 110 or 111, but I really didn't see it going much higher than, this area just right in here, this 107, 106 area. So that's the area I was targeting. I was just looking to sell a little bit of premium in there. Wasn't trying to, gain a whole bunch of money, but that's what I'm looking for on UPS going into tomorrow. They have earnings tomorrow morning. I didn't trade Caterpillar or anything like that, but I will be trading. Probably will be trading Google, AMD, and possibly Starbucks tomorrow. So those are the 3 that I will be trading. So that's what I wanted to go in with a little bit of. That's why I went in with a VIX call. But so far earnings have been relatively good for me. Going in, I also placed a debit spread on Home Depot. Now Home Depot, I bought it for $213. Home Depot, I'm in next week expiration, and they do have earnings. And this is a debit spread. I bought the 215. I bought the 215 put, sold the 205 put for a debit spread. Max loss is 213, and I'm gonna get about $785 out of it as max profit. If it goes, I'm up about 15% right now. Home Depot, what I was looking at on Home Depot, we do have some housing reports coming out. It did drop last week on housing reports, so we'll see what happens this week. Bounced up pretty nice. I didn't trade it on Friday, grinded up all day Friday, and then it hit 220 and then faded all day, after that. And I was looking at here, it hit the 200 moving average and then got rejected pretty hard. So I laid in a little bit, and we'll see what happens. I have till next week. I do think that it's going to come back around the 205, 207 area, at least 210. It broke out here pretty nice. Now going into tomorrow, also what I'm looking at here, I've been trading DocuSign a little bit, but today was pretty important. I didn't know what it was going to do today. It was really choppy after the gap up, so I didn't do anything with it. But if you're looking at here, it popped up above resistance here, 105. It hit 105. It gapped up above that, and I feel like DocuSign is going to be a clear runner, so I'm going to be looking to buy a dip in DocuSign as well. Of course, keep in mind this is for entertainment purposes, not investing advice. Also, if you guys can hit the like button as I'm going through the video, if you made it this far, I definitely appreciate it. Now, GILD. Now GILD, I am short GILD, and I'm short. Now I'll admit this is a little bit of a gamble going into GILD. I am short a debit spread for next week expiration. I am long the 70 put, short the 50 put. Cost me $200. But I think that after earnings, they have earnings. GILD has earnings on Thursday after market close, so I'm not in really any rush to sell this, and I'm thinking it's been kind of capping out around the 80s here. It's been trying, it keeps falling down here, so I'm thinking it's probably going to be in the low 70s after earnings is what I'm thinking of. I mean, I definitely could be totally wrong, but that's what I'm playing with. Also, USO. Now USO, I do have a position in USO. if you are holding a position in USO, keep in mind they're going to have a 1-to-8 reverse split coming up this week. So Wednesday morning, the option symbol for USO options will change to the new non-standard symbol USO1, delivering 12 shares of USO plus cash in lieu of the fractional share. If you do not want to receive the non-standard option, you have until the close of trading tomorrow. So I have till tomorrow to decide what I want to do with USO. I'm currently in USO. USO oil in general was a dumpster fire today. Oil was down like 25%. USO also down, 14%, came down, just was chilling around 215 pretty much all day. We sold off hard, just been chilling. Now, USO, I currently in a few positions here. Some are profitable, some are not. So I am long January 2021. So I'm selling a naked put, and I'm long a 5 call. I'm also long a 3.5 put for this June on 2 of them, which I'm profitable. I'm up 100% on, and I am long June 2.5 put. So I was going to see what happens if we get another gap down. I'm probably going to try to get out of this position because I really don't want to deal with the non-standard options chain because there's not going to be enough liquidity. Things are going to be a mess. So I'm going to probably cancel that out and probably enter a new position after, probably sometime tomorrow after USO does a reverse split. I'll probably re-enter with a new position. But right now, I am probably going to close out before close tomorrow, take my profits. I mean, I'm down 7% on $7 on the overall position. So we'll see if we can get a push lower tomorrow while people are going to rebalance. And tomorrow's going to be a huge day for USO, knowing that there's going to be a reverse split coming up the next day. So that's what I'm thinking of for USO. So be safe. If you watch this video to the end, comment watch to the end, hit the like button. As always, stay safe, stay green. It's us versus herd.